my name is Ari R, and I will be helping you to solve this problem. You have two equations, y equals 5x minus 15 and negative 8 minus y equals negative 24. Solve each system by substitution. I'm going to be reading this off just so you have the text and scrolling through it and kind of explaining it. So substitution, just like in basketball or hockey, when you substitute in one player for another, we are going to be substituting in one equation for another equation. This is what we are given. The two equations, I will label them equation 1 and equation 2. Since equation 1 is already solved for y, we will use 5x minus 15, which is on the right side of the equal sign in equation 1, for the value of y in equation 2 and solve for x. So here's our first equation, and you can see substituted in for y. So now we have negative 8 minus the whole quantity of 5x minus 15 equals negative 24. Note, don't forget that there is a negative sign in front of the y, which means the value of y in equation 2 is multiplied by negative 1. So we need to distribute that negative 1 into the parentheses. So we're left with negative 8x minus 5x plus 15 equals negative 24. You simplify that down to negative 13x equals negative 39, where x equals 3. But wait, we're not done yet. We still need to solve for y. It doesn't matter which equation we use, but this time let's use equation 1 to solve for y. It may be easier since it's already written with y on one side. Here's equation 1. We put 3 in, and we get y equals 0. So the answer is x equals 3, y equals 0. Now we can check this by graphing. So on board 2 here, I have the equations written, and you can see the intersection is at x equals 3, y equals 4. What I did was I took the second equation and rewrote it so that y equals negative 8x plus 24. And if you have a graphing calculator or some other way to graph it, or use a table and do it by hand, you'll come up with this graph. In here, let's look for this point. I'm just going to mark it in nice hot pink so it stands out right there. All right, I hope that was helpful and you're able to follow all the steps as I have them written out.